A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
When Elizabeth's time for delivery arrived, she gave birth to a son. Her neighbors and relatives, upon hearing that the Lord had extended His mercy to her, rejoiced with her. When they assembled for the circumcision of the child on the 8th day, they intended to name him after his father Zechariah. At these, the mother intervened, saying, "No, he is to be called John." They pointed out to her, "But none of your relatives has that name." Then by using signs, they asked the father what he wished him to be called. He signaled for a writing tablet and wrote the words, "His name is John." These astonished them all. At that moment his mouth was open and his tongue loosed, and he began to speak in praise of God. Fear descended on all in the neighborhood. Throughout the hill country of Judea, these happenings began to be recounted to the last detail. All who heard stored these things up in their hearts, saying, "What will this child be?" And was not the hand of the Lord upon him? My dear friends, the goodness of our salvation.
Praise you, Lord Jesus.